Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing. This time it is the Autel Evo II charging station. Now this thing is something that's going to take care of my Autel Evo II drone. It's going to charge the batteries, and this is what's inside. Package very nice. Now on the front, you do have the battery charging hub sign, Autel Robotics. On the side, Autel Robotics. On the back, it does say that it is for the Evo II, so you do have to be careful because they do have a charging hub for the original Evo drone. So Evo II, it says battery charging hub and the UPC and all that good stuff and the serial number. Okay, just open this up. It has a nice foam rubber that is protecting it very well. Ooh, pretty. All right, nothing else in the box. You have the user guide. Has of course, the disclaimer, you know, don't sue us if anything goes wrong kind of thing. Introduction, it kind of shows you where the micro USB slot is, which is down below. Let's take this protective cover off. How do you take it off? I don't know. Oh, there we go. Okay. So the USB goes in there for the charging. I should say to be able to charge. And then you do have the connection for the actual charger itself. The unit that came with the Evo II, the charging unit, actually goes into here and connects on the bottom. And that's how it charges. Right here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 places you can put batteries. I only have 3. I might get a 4th one later, I'm not sure. Let's see, using the charging hub. And of course it does tell you how to connect the charging unit that came with the Evo II down at the bottom. It tells you how to connect the batteries, which is straight on, and I'll show you how to do that here in a moment. It tells you about the product's features. You can do parallel charging mode, which it charges starting from the lowest battery, and when the power level, the charging progress starts from the lowest battery. When the power levels are the same, the batteries are charged simultaneously. Oh, okay. So in other words, they're pretty much charged. It brings the lowest one up to the other ones, and then once they're up pretty much even, then they kind of charge the same all the way up. Then it says sequential charging mode. The batteries will be charged in sequence according to their power levels, from high to low. So the ones that are charged the most are going to finish charging, and then the next one lowest is going to start charging until that's charged 100%. And then so on and so forth. And that's it. Now there is an alert that comes on. Hopefully we won't get that error button. All right, let's go test this thing out. As you can see here, once I put the batteries in, it just started charging automatically. And then I put the auxiliary cord in, and what do you know? It started charging too, as you can see here.
Easy peasy.
Now this thing I did get on Amazon. I'll put a link to it down below in the description box. Thank you for coming along with me on unboxing and first use of the battery charging unit, the multi-battery charging unit, for the Autel Evo II drone.
I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it.
And as always, have a great day.